want our customers to know that we have this suite of offerings. We can put products on the shelf that allow customers to come in and basically make exchanges in real time. To remanufacture a product is a much shorter lead time than rebuilding, depending on what the part is. See, this story continues to churn. The sustainability part of it comes in. We are reducing the cost. They're going with a rebuild versus having to buy a new machine. The CAT Reman warranty is same as new, and it also should show them the confidence we have in the products we produce. It's going to be like new with a same as new warranty, but you only pay a fraction of what it costs for a new part. We want our customers to have the confidence that it's going to perform like a new part.